Known worldwide as the most haunted house in America, the Whaley House is the most famous haunted location in San Diego. Built in 1857 on an old cemetery, it was the Whaley family's home in the 19th century. With more history than any other building in the city, sadly, it's full of heartache and tragedy for the Whaleys. With the death of baby Thomas Whaley Jr., he is said to cry down the Whaley House halls, running in the distance. And a young woman has been reported to inhabit the second floor of the house. This ghost is believed to be Violet Whaley, saddened over her broken marriage. Other reported activity is the lingering ghost of James Yankee Jim Robinson, who is hanged on the property, along with chandeliers swinging back and forth. Ghost hunters and thrill seekers constantly flock to the Whaley House, trying to catch a glimpse of the long-dead Whaleys, passing on spine-tingling tales, all signs that the Whaley House still belongs to those who called it home over the years. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe to us. And remember, if you want diverse TV, watch Diverseego TV.